Mastering dialogue punctuation with commas. Hello, English language learners. In today's video, we're going to tackle an important part of English punctuation that's widely used in both creative writing and casual conversations. It's about how to properly use commas with quotations, especially in dialogue. By the end of this video, you'll feel more comfortable crafting realistic dialogue and punctuating it correctly. Dialogue is a key component in writing, from essays to novels, and it's also common in everyday conversation. Dialogue is simply people talking to each other. Punctuating dialogue might seem tricky, but it's easy once you know the rules. The most commonly used punctuation marks in English dialogue are commas, periods, question marks, and exclamation points. But for today, we'll focus mainly on the use of commas. Now, let's dive into the main rules. 1. Rule 1. Comma before the quotation. A comma is used to separate the dialogue tag from the quotation. For example, 2. She said, "I'll be there soon." 3. Rule 2. Comma inside the quotation marks. If the dialogue tag comes after the quotation, a comma is used inside the closing quotation marks. For example, 4. "I'll be there soon," she said. 5. Rule 3. Comma separating dialogue tags in the middle of dialogue. If a dialogue tag is inserted in the middle of a sentence, it is framed by commas. For example, 6. "I'll be," she said, "there soon." Remember, these rules apply even when you replace "she said" with any other dialogue tag. To help you get more familiar with these rules, let's go through some examples and exercises. You can practice along with us. 1. Example 1. Comma before the quotation. 2. Correct, he asked, "Can you help me with this?" 3. Incorrect, he asked, "Can you help me with this?" 4. Example 2. Comma inside the quotation marks. 5. Correct, "I'm doing fine," she replied. 6. Incorrect, "I'm doing fine," she replied. 7. Example 3. Comma separating dialogue tags in the middle of dialogue. 8. Correct, "This is," he announced, "a great victory." 9. Incorrect, "This is," he announced, "a great victory." So there you have it. These are the main rules for using commas in dialogue. Remember, mastering punctuation can take your writing from good to great, and it's all about practice. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing your English language skills flourish. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more punctuation videos.